I'm here by the pool, the main pool. You can see. Now I'm here right at the Caleta snack bar by the main pool. Now one thing I am noticing today, you can see there's nothing over there. You'll kind of see something. Nothing, that is. Over there, there's no tables. I'm not going to go over there right now, but I have noticed one thing. Now, I don't know if I can actually physically show you inside. I'll see if I can take a good video shot of the inside of this right now. This is interesting to see. See the tables there. You can see some chairs in the background, way back there. Now, actually, in fact, I will go over here. There's no tables outside whatsoever. But this side tables here, or side door, should I say, you can see that they have the chairs there and some tables over there. I guess they're from tables from inside and outside. I can't see very much, but the bar is actually completely closed down right now. Now, one thing I want to say about this bar, snack bar, last year in 2023, this place was the only thing that was open after 10 o'clock in the evening, and then up until 7 o'clock, and basically 24 hours with the exception of dinner time and whatnot. But now it looks like they're closed, at least for now. I don't know if they're going to stay closed or if they're going to plan on doing something with this building itself, changing it or something. But one thing I noticed was, oh no, I'm wrong. I didn't see that for a second. I guess I was completely blind. They still do have this ping pong table, which you probably can use anyway because they probably had all the ping pong stuff inside. What's weird is last year they painted all these. They spent all that money last year. Hola. So they did. I don't know what they're doing with this building right now because they spent the money last year painting all this wood. You can see actually it still looks painted. Both sides. So I don't know what they're doing with this building at this point in time. I might talk to somebody and find out what they're doing with this Caleta snack bar. This is going to be a 3-minute plus video, but this is one thing that was open last year, and right now I don't know if they're going to end up doing some renovations on the exterior, more renovations, or they're going to change this building, or what they're doing with it. Because since it's closed right now, what are they going to do with this place? What have they done? Or maybe it's just because of the low season they decided to change it. Because where you can get your dinner or snacks at the nighttime after 10 o'clock, you go down that away somewhere. Let me rephrase that. That away. Gotta remember, I'm privileges over. See, this is the second time I've been here since the first time, and I keep saying privilege. Elegance is in that direction. Now the pool, or the pool is in that direction obviously as well, but the beach bar is that direction. Same direction as where I'm staying again for the second time since my first time, third time total. Anyway, sorry about talking on and on, but this is something that's different. It's closed. What is going on here? I will find that out. Hopefully somebody can tell me what's going on with this Caleta snack bar, and I will give an update on that too once I find out. Again, it's all going to be verbal when I do talk about it, but at this point in time, I don't know what's going to happen. Here, let me show you this beautiful pool. I mean, this is the main pool, so I will take some videos of the Elegance pool later on. So, yeah, that's about it for now. Again, I will give an update once I know what's going on with this snack bar here. If you want snack bar at this point in time, it's actually by the beach bar way back there. So yeah, that's it. That's it for now. Ciao for now.